I love giving succulents as gifts, and one of the easiest ways to do that is with Lula's Garden. Lula's Garden provides these beautiful boxed succulent gift sets that you can easily ship anywhere in the US. And the great thing is it comes with everything that your recipient needs to take care of their succulent. So instead of having to go find the pot and the succulent and the soil, get it all potted up yourself and ship it yourself, you can simply order it through Lula's Garden and have it delivered to them. So Lula's Garden was kind enough to send me 2 of their petite gardens as well as one of their deluxe gardens. And I'm gonna open all of these up and show you what's inside, show you what you can expect when you order from Lula's Garden. I have loved giving these as gifts, and they're always super well received because they're so easy and they're great for growing indoors. The first thing I want to point out with the boxed gardens is each of them comes with a decorative sleeve on it. And you can get a variety of different types of sleeves. So this one is a happy birthday, we have a thank you, we have a holiday one. There's a bunch more that you can choose from. So you're not just sending a plain box, but something to indicate what the gift is for. And that is one of the things that I love about it. And then on the back of each of these, you'll also have care instructions. So it'll tell them how to take care of their new succulent. And then inside is where you'll find everything you need to keep it alive. So let's go ahead and open up one of these petite gardens. You can see here there's a little strip to help you remove it. On the deluxe garden, it's actually just a sleeve that slides on and off. All right, so here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tab. All right, so pull this off, and you can see the sleeve comes right off. And then we can simply kind of twist to pull this off. So it does just pull straight off the top, but I found twisting it helps get it opened up a little bit better. And this is one of my favorites. This is Echeveria colorata. And you can see this is a big, beautiful succulent that's in there. So there's a little plastic that lines it right here. That way it doesn't get smashed in shipping. And then some tissue paper around it as well to support underneath the succulent petals. And once we get the tissue paper removed, hiding back here is actually a little water dropper. The dropper is nice because it allows you to get just a little bit of water inside the pot that the succulent is in. So everything in here you can see is completely contained. You can actually hold it upside down. There's nothing that's gonna leak out the bottom. So you'll just add water by dropping a few droppers full inside. And I have a different video of a friend of mine who I gave one of these to, and she has kept hers alive for almost a year now, and it looks amazing. It's not getting very much light in her house, but just by using those few droppers full, it's given it enough water to survive, but not so much that it's rotting or growing so quickly that it stretches. So that's one of the great things about these is they will last a long time with very little care. And you can see how perfectly this arrived too. There's not a mess of soil or anything like that that's gonna get messy or dirty when your recipient opens it. So I love these. These are so great. They're just such a good gift and they are so easy. So here's one of the petite gardens. Let's open up this other one. So I pulled the sleeve off, and same thing, I'm just gonna twist it slightly to open it and then pull upward. Remove the tissue paper. Ooh, this one is cool. So I'm gonna pull the little plastic piece out. And here's the cool thing, this has a cactus in it, and yet I didn't get stuck. If you've ever opened cactus that have been shipped to you before, you're always at risk of getting poked by them. So that was really easy, and no spines in my fingers. So just carefully unwrap here. And voila, we have a perfectly put together succulent arrangement with a cute little Arista aloe and then moon cactus. So again, this also comes with a little dropper in there. So I love how these are all packaged so tightly in here. It looks amazing right out of the box. I didn't have to do anything and it looks great. So these are a really great option if you just want to send something small to a friend. Now that we've done 2 of the petite gardens, I want to show you the deluxe garden. So this one, as you can see, is quite a bit larger, so it will have more plants in it. Again, it has this happy birthday sleeve, but you can pick a greeting for whatever occasion you'd like. And this just simply slides right off. And the box opens. So same thing here, we'll have a little bit of tissue paper. Oh man, this looks so good. Do the plastic first. All right, so we got the plastic off, and then we'll just take off the tissue paper here. So this one does come with a little bit larger dropper. Obviously it's easier to fit that in here, but look how amazing this is. So again, an Echeveria colorata here. We have a zebra plant, it looks like an attenuata, and then a crassula here, a jade. So this is beautiful. And isn't it awesome? You can just set that out. It makes a perfect centerpiece. You can put it on your desk, wherever you want. And by watering just really minimally with this little dropper, this will stay looking good for months in low light. So that is another thing that I love about it. These are just perfectly potted and all set up to make it a really easy gift to give and super low maintenance, really easy to care for. Now, because these are all completely contained and there's no drainage holes in them, you do need to be really careful about your watering frequency and about the quantity of water that you're putting on. You can see here, this one actually has a few signs of overwatering, which is pretty normal for succulents that have been shipped. So this one, was in the mail a couple of days, and it does get a little bit of humidity trapped in there, and that is totally normal. So you can just pull off these dead leaves and just let it dry. It doesn't need to be watered for a long time until you start seeing signs that these need water. And you can grab our free cheat sheet, Signs Your Succulents Need Water, in the description below. There'll be a link to that. But you can see these are all really plump and firm, so they are not going to need to be watered for quite some time. It's pretty normal that over time you might have a couple rocks come loose, especially the more you water it, it will kind of loosen up the rocks. So do keep that in mind. That's completely normal. You can really just set them back in. But something I thought was kind of fun, you could actually turn this upright and use it as a vertical garden. So you'd still want to lay it flat to water it, but kind of a fun idea if you have it at your desk or something so it doesn't take as much space, you could turn it upright. These really do make amazing gifts, and the next time you're in the market for a gift or just want to get something cool for yourself, definitely check out Lula's Garden. You can head over to succulentsandsunshine.com/Lula to shop through our affiliate link, and be sure to use the coupon code SUNSHINE to get 10% off. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with all of your succulent loving friends, and I will see you next time.